maraming salamat po for these awards. Thank you po. We want to thank our bosses, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Bernie, Boss Al, Boss Earth, Tita June, Kaka, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And also, we want to thank more importantly our family.
I'd like to thank our parents, our mom and dad, for supporting us and being along, joining us on this ride and guiding us through the way. Thank you so much. And of course, Mr. Doreen, we'd like to thank the people that have supported us through this journey. We learned a lot, and we're still learning a lot, and it's really truly honored to share the stage on this next one.
Yes, and also we also want to add that maraming salamat po sa lahat ng workshop coaches namin, from the staff of production to everyone behind the scenes that makes the Philippine